Hello, welcome back. Imagine this situation, okay? You're at work and this week is going to be a really special week at work because there is someone coming from England to be there in the company. So there will be some English happening this week and you're probably feeling very nervous. Yeah, because you're going to have to interact in English in a work situation, which is so much worse because there is so much pressure. But it's okay, relax, take a deep breath. So you're at your desk and you're sending some emails and you're making some calls and you're quite busy, and this person from England walks by and this person looks at you and they go, "Hey, how you doing?" And you go, hi, sending emails, yeah. And then the person's like, "Sorry, what?" And you're like, "Yeah, no, it's fine, I'm just sending emails." And they're like, "Oh, no, how you doing?" "Oh," and then you go, "Oh, how you're doing, not what you're doing." "Oh, okay. No, sorry. Yeah, I'm fine, thank you." So, this is a typical situation that happens when you're nervous and you're having to speak English when you're nervous. When you're nervous, what happens in your brain is that all you hear is the one or two words that you recognize in a sentence. So because the person said to you, you were busy, so automatically you're not paying your full attention. You're busy with something else. That's, you're losing there, really. And then the person walks by and they say to you, "How you doing?" And all you hear is you doing. That's it. That's all you hear because, it's too fast and you're busy and you're nervous and, it's a really hectic situation. Oh my goodness me, what am I gonna do? So then you just decide that it's a really clever decision to guess what they said. I'm just gonna try and guess here and, try my luck. Try my luck, try your luck is an expression. It's just try your luck to see if you're right. I'm gonna try my luck here, see if that's what they said. That's fine. That's a bad decision. That's a really bad decision. Don't do that. Because if you're wrong, you're gonna end up saying, "I'm just sending some emails," or even worse, you're gonna say nothing, like, "What are you doing?" "No, I'm doing nothing." So you go, "Hey, how you doing?" Nothing. It makes you sound like weird and don't do that. So take a minute and listen to what the person's saying. Sometimes this kind of situation will happen, okay? That you'll be too busy or too nervous and you will actually not understand a really simple question such as how you doing. How you doing, if you don't know, just means it's a very informal way to say, "Hey, how are you?" So it's informal and nice and everybody uses it. Oh, from Friends, right? Where Joey used to say, "How you doing?" all the time. It's the same. So then you're gonna sound crazy if you don't really listen to what the person's saying. So if there is a problem for any reason at all that you failed to understand or to even listen to the person, it's fine. You can just say, "I'm sorry, what was that? I just wasn't listening." Or you could just say, "Sorry," and then they'll say, don't say "what," because "what" is rude. Like you say, "What?" Like what you say to your friends and to people you know, but you're not gonna say that to someone you don't know at work. Yeah. So you go, "I'm sorry," and then the person will most likely repeat the same question. Believe it or not. Yeah. They will repeat it. Oh my God! Yes, they will not kill you for not understanding. They will just say it again. Yeah. So they will say to you, I just asked how you're doing." And then you're like, "Oh, sure, I'm good, thank you. How are you?" "I'm good, thank you. How about you?" Simple, alright? So if you don't understand something, don't pick up on the words that you understand and then just throw a wild guess in there, just, you know, trying to be cool, because then you don't sound cool. You just sound like you don't know any English at all. So most of the time you know so much more English than you believe you do. So don't put yourself in that situation, you know, be proud of the English you know and use it in your favor. Alright, I hope you liked this video. If you did, click on like, share with your friends, leave a comment down below, subscribe for more, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.